What's up, guys? It's your boy Squawk here. I just want to inform you guys that the PS4 Pro is out for delivery. So there will be an unboxing today. Um, that's about it. Catch me on some Fortnite today, later on tonight, maybe today, like shortly. Catch me on some Ark Survival Evolved. If you guys like that game, if you guys don't even know what that game is, it's a great game. But also we'll be playing some. Can't wait for this Blackout. Black Ops 4. Cannot wait for it. Oh, October 8th, man. October 8th. That's 2 days before my birthday, too. So that should be really cool. You know, be able to play that. But I'm cooking up a cup of coffee right now. Some guy, I don't know if you heard that, but some guys out there on a motorbike. Motorbikes, dangerous motorbikes. But catch me today, and I hope you guys like the unboxing. I know I'm a little late when it comes to that, but didn't have the money right away. So, and I already had the PS4, so I didn't really need to upgrade. But I feel like I need to upgrade now, so let's do the upgrade. You know what I'm saying? And then also 4K TV, I'll be doing an unboxing with that. And if my headphones also come today, I'll do an unboxing with that. But I'll let you know right now, they're pretty cheap headphones. I just whatever money I had extra on the PS4 Pro, I bought maybe a $50 pair of headphones or something. So, I mean, it'll work. It'll do the trick. But so I'll catch you guys later. Peace.